Hey everyone, welcome to the official UFO VPN channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of you have been curious about: how to change your iPhone's IP address. Whether you're aiming to boost your privacy, resolve connectivity issues, or access region-restricted content on platforms like Netflix, Pornhub, or Spotify, etc., changing your IP can make a big difference. In this video, I'll guide you through step-by-step methods to change your IP address on your iPhone. Let's get started. For the first part, we will talk about what is an IP address. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is like a home address for your devices on the Internet. Just as your home address helps people find you, an IP address helps devices locate each other and communicate. Every device that connects to the Internet, like your smartphone, laptop, or even smart appliances, needs an IP address to send and receive information. It's a unique identifier that allows data to reach the right destination. In the second part, we'll show you a full guide on how to change IP address on iPhone manually. Launch settings on your iPhone first. Find Wi-Fi option and tap on it. Here you can see your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap on the eye icon on the right side. Scroll down the screen to tap on Configure IP. Next, choose Manual Mode. Here you can see three options. They are IP address, subnet mask, and router. Finally, enter the IP address that you want to change and save it to apply your change. In the last part, we will recommend a tool to change iPhone IP address freely. Manually changing your iPhone IP address seems to be complicated, and you also could be blocked by some websites, so choosing a VPN is a good and safe way to change your IP address, so we highly recommend you UFO VPN to help you unblock any website. With UFO VPN, your experience on gaming and streaming will be smooth, your activity will be private and secure on any public network, and the website loading time will be faster. You just need to go to the App Store to download UFO VPN on your iPhone, then launch it to choose a location. Finally, connect the VPN to enjoy your journey on the web. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.